Today's Bible verse comes from 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4, King James Version. Charity suffereth long, and is kind. Charity envieth not. Charity vaunteth not itself, is not puffed up. 1 Corinthians 13:4 describes true love as being patient and kind. This means love is not easily angered and is gentle, helpful, and compassionate towards others. It is an active, selfless choice to be good to people, even when provoked or wronged. Love is patient. It is long-suffering, meaning it endures difficulties and mistreatment without giving up or becoming angry. It refrains from using its powers to seek revenge and is able to remain calm in the face of provocation. Love is kind. This describes an active and positive character that seeks to do good to others. It is gentle, compassionate, and shows goodness to people rather than being rude or offensive. Amen.